Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. When you make the move to QuickBooks Online, you can bring your company's info with you. Let's go over what to do before you migrate, how to migrate your QuickBooks Desktop info into QuickBooks Online, and then how to confirm that everything looks right after the move. The first step is to update to the newest version of QuickBooks. Select Help, Update QuickBooks Desktop, and then Update Now. If you'd like to migrate without updating to the latest version, you can use our online tool, and there's a link to learn more about that here. At the end of the update, you might need to restart QuickBooks and your computer. If you already have the latest version, you'll see that there are no updates to perform. If you need to run payroll or pay any payroll taxes, be sure to perform those tasks before copying your data to QuickBooks Online. Now you're ready to migrate. It's important to remember that even after you copy your company's info to QuickBooks Online, you can always refer back to your QuickBooks Desktop company file at any time. This process doesn't do anything to make that data go away. Select Company, export your company file to QuickBooks Online, then select Get Started. You can choose to migrate all your company's data, including your customers, vendors, settings, and transactions, or export specific data. This option is helpful if you have a large file and don't want to bring over every individual transaction. You can choose to migrate all of the info about your customers, vendors, and other lists along with account balances, or migrate only list information. This option is great if you want to start over without any transactions or balances, but you still want to keep the info about the people and products you do business with. And if you only want to move over specific lists, you can select them here. It's important to note that no matter which option you select, there are some things that won't migrate to QuickBooks Online. Check out this link to find a complete list of what does and doesn't move over to QuickBooks Online. Select Continue. If you've already set up a QuickBooks Online account, select Yes, Sign Me In, or select No, I need to create one to set up a new account with a 30-day free trial. Then enter your email address and password. You may need to complete more security steps, like entering a code you receive on your phone. If you're migrating your info into an existing account, choose whether you want to overwrite the data in an existing QuickBooks Online company or create a new company with separate books and settings. It's important to note that if you migrate into an existing QuickBooks Online company, your QuickBooks Desktop data will replace everything in it. Select Continue. If you're creating a new company, confirm your company name. Then select Upload. The migration can take a few minutes. While you wait, you can download the QuickBooks Online app and install it on your computer. You can access your company from an internet browser, but if you use the app, the experience will be closer to what you're used to in QuickBooks Desktop. You'll receive an email with instructions on how to access your QuickBooks Online account after the process is complete. In the email, you'll find links to other videos to help you in QuickBooks Online. Once you get that notification, it's a good time to compare your original company information to the data you have in your QuickBooks Online company. Open your profit and loss statement and run it for this year to date. Then switch to QuickBooks Online and run the same report with the same date range. You can do the same thing with your balance sheet, AR, and AP reports, and more to confirm that everything arrived safely. Now you're ready to migrate your QuickBooks Desktop data to QuickBooks Online.